The reason why love never finds you or you never find love, you've been trying so hard to find it, is because you're busy trying to find love. You're busy trying to be in love. You're busy trying to fall in love. You are being unnatural about it. Okay. So you are trying to emulate other people, do what you see everyone else are doing in order to be in love, how they play the game, how the game is played on them, and how they played the game on them. So you are so busy, you are working too hard, trying to be who you are not. That's why you've never been able to find love. Love has never been able to find you. All right. That's right. Okay. So, what do we have here? We have a power key. You know, a power key that really will help you to know how to do it right. Okay? And this is how it goes. You see, you're doing everything to be in love, and especially to fall in love. Okay? You are doing so much that is unnatural, artificial, fake, that is F-A-K-E, fake. You are doing everything to be in love, to participate in love, to find love. Love will find you. Then finally, you fall in love. And that's the worst mistake you made. That's the worst mistake of your life you made, was you fell in love. Why is it? You see, all your life you've been trying to fall in love. That's why love has never found you. You've never found love, whatever that means. Okay? Because it's a huge package. And the love doctor knows how, where, when you should back off. And I think it's now. Yeah. It's now. Back off. Go back a little bit. Calm down. Stop hurrying this thing. Take it easy and just go with the flow. All right. So you're doing everything to fall in love. And what happened? Instead of you to relax, be natural, do the best that you can do. Be yourself. So what about, why don't we solve the problem? Yeah. Let's solve the problem. Let's solve it now. Now. Let's solve it. Now, what is it? How do we solve it? This is the did I say power key? Oh no! Today is Thanksgiving. Okay, I forgot. What am I drinking? Some juice. Yay! Love it. Wow, that's awesome. If you don't drink this, don't die until you've tested this, okay? Don't go to heaven or hell until you try this. I made it myself. I cannot tell you. You have to pay me. Now, remember my name, Idika imeri. You attach money to my name, then I play. Yay! So, this is the power tip for today. Stop trying to be in love. Mm-hmm. Stop trying to fall in love. Mm-hmm. Stop trying to run into love. Mm-hmm. So, what do you do then? So, simple power tip: stop trying to fall in love. Okay? And let love, that is love, fall on you. And that's the answer. Let love fall on you instead of you falling in love. And that's the power tip. 4. Today, Thanksgiving Day 2021. My name is Idika Imeri, and I'm a very nice, beautiful looking man. Yep. No ugly here, Now, if you want me to come and speak to your group, or you want me to come and teach, or you want me to come and teach you how to make money, because I love the sound of that. You want me to come and coach you on how to make money. And you want me to come and coach you on how to look beautiful as a woman or a man. Men don't like to look beautiful. They like to look handsome. I don't know what handsome means. I'll stop here. If you want to call me, my number is 316-512-6944. All right? Cool. Or you can contact my secretary and she will know how to hook you up with me so that I can help you. All right. This is serious. That's what I do for a living. Okay? Cool. The number for you to call, if you want to call my secretary, Miss Victoria, is country code 1-316-308-5645. All right. Bye-bye. Look good. Smell good. Dress good. Talk good. And have something good in your head. Bye-bye.